no matter what, consistently is the key. And hello guys, I'm going to tell you guys how to grow fast on YouTube. If you need subscribers or viewers on your channel, this video is for you. Don't skip, subscribe, and also share this video to your friend. I remember when I started a YouTube of 18, I remember whenever I post a video, like 20 days, you will see 5 viewers, 0 subscribers. It was horrible on me. So, but I didn't give up. As a YouTuber, let me tell you the secret. Consistently is the key. No matter what, consistently is the key. And if you are making a video, make sure you are using trending topic. Make sure you put thumbnail on your video. Make sure you put hashtag on your video. It will make you to go far on YouTube. Seriously, it will make you to go far on YouTube. If you are under educational, I'm going to tell you the best title to use that is easy for people to search on YouTube. And make sure you set up your thumbnail, end screen, and end card. Make sure you use them any of your video you post. Your first 100 view on YouTube was the hardest for you, but I'm going to tell you the easiest way to get it. If you follow these 4 steps I'm going to teach you now, it will be easy. I know it will actually work for you, and it's work for me. Number 1 is use trending topic. Use trending topic. If you are under educational, you teach about YouTube, use title, use topic that will be easy for people to search on YouTube, like how to grow your channel, how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Those topic is easy for people. Search and make a video on it. It will be easy for you to get viewers on YouTube. The second thing is subscribers. Everyone on YouTube needs subscribers. That is sure. Everyone on YouTube needs subscribers. Make sure you make a video on how to get subscribers. Search on YouTube and watch it and make a video on it. If you're under educational, it will boost your account. You will get a lot of subscribers. People are going to find it, because that is what people need on YouTube. Make sure you make a video on it. Number 3 thing is your thumbnail. Thumbnail is very important in any of your long video. It's very important. It tells viewers what your video is all about. It's very, very important. Make sure you set up on your thumbnail in any of your video you post on YouTube, like eye-catching thumbnail that will attract viewers to your video, to watch your video. Thumbnail tells viewers what your video is all about. Make sure you set up a thumbnail. And the last one is end screen. End screen is very important. End screen is very important. Like if you want to upload a video, once you want to upload your video, you will see, you do the setting, you will see where they write end screen. Make sure you set up your end screen. It's very important. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friends to watch also, and set the alarm. Whenever I drop a video like this, you will be able to watch also. Thank you all.